Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign notary documents. First, gather all necessary papers and your valid identification before meeting the notary. Next, understand the specific requirements for your document type, ensuring you are prepared for the signing process. We will cover each step, from identity verification to the final official seal. This comprehensive guide will help you confidently complete your notarization, saving you time and potential redos. Before your notary visit, always bring your government-issued photo identification, like a driver's license or passport. This ID must be current, not expired, and show your signature. If multiple people need to sign, ensure each person brings their own acceptable identification. Crucially, do not sign your document before meeting the notary, as your signature must be witnessed. This preparation helps ensure a quick and efficient notarization without delays. During the appointment, the notary will carefully verify your identity using your unexpired photo identification. They will then review the document with you, confirming you understand its purpose and content. Once ready, you will sign the document clearly in the notary's direct view, never before this moment. The notary will then complete their official journal entry and apply their stamp and signature. This process ensures the integrity of your signature. One frequent mistake is presenting an expired identification, which notaries cannot accept for verification. Another common error is signing your document before you are in the notary's presence, making it impossible for them to witness your signature properly. Additionally, always read and understand your document's contents fully. The notary cannot advise you legally, but you must know what you are signing. Avoiding these simple errors ensures your document is notarized correctly on the first attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.